In the heart of Pakistan's Punjab province lies Bahawalnagar, a city deeply rooted in agriculture. This region is not just a place, it's a living, breathing entity that thrives on the hard work and dedication of its people. Known for its fertile lands and hard-working people, Bahawalnagar stands as a beacon of agricultural excellence. The soil here is rich and fertile, making it ideal for a variety of crops. Bahawalnagar is a testament to the enduring bond between humans and nature. The farmers here have a deep connection with the land, a relationship that has been nurtured over generations. This vibrant city, with a history as rich as its soil, offers a unique blend of natural beauty, agricultural abundance, and cultural heritage. The landscape is dotted with historical landmarks that tell the story of its past. Bahawalnagar is a city that lives and breathes agriculture. The rhythm of life here is dictated by the cycles of planting and harvest, a dance that has been performed for centuries. Its fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a patchwork quilt of green and gold. Each field tells a story, a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers who tend to them. The air, heavy with the scent of freshly tilled earth and blooming crops, whispers tales of generations past, toiling the land and reaping its bounty. The soil here is not just dirt, it's a living entity that sustains life. This city, with its bustling markets overflowing with fresh produce and its streets echoing with the laughter of children playing amidst fields of sugarcane and cotton, is a testament to the enduring spirit of rural Punjab. The markets are a vibrant hub of activity, where the fruits of the land are traded and celebrated. Bahawalnagar is a place where life moves at a different pace, dictated by the rhythm of the seasons and the flow of the mighty Sutlej River. The river is the lifeblood of the region, providing the water that sustains the fields and the people who depend on them. Here, the passage of time is marked by the changing seasons, each bringing its own challenges and rewards. The community here is tightly knit, bound together by shared experiences and a common goal. Celebrations of successful harvests are a testament to the collective effort and the joy of reaping what has been sown. Cultural festivities, traditional Punjabi dance and music are integral to life in Bahawalnagar. These celebrations are not just about joy, they are a way of preserving the rich cultural heritage of the region. Education is also a key focus here, with children learning about agriculture from a young age. Schools often incorporate agricultural education into their curriculum, ensuring that the next generation is well equipped to continue the legacy. Modern farming techniques are being adopted alongside traditional methods, creating a harmonious blend of old and new. This approach ensures that Bahawalnagar remains at the forefront of agricultural innovation while respecting its rich heritage. As the sun sets over the fields of Bahawalnagar, the farmers return home, their day's work done. The cycle of life continues, a never-ending testament to the resilience and spirit of this remarkable city. Bahawalnagar is situated in the southern region of Punjab, a province renowned for its fertile plains and intricate network of rivers. This strategic location places Bahawalnagar at the heart of Pakistan's agricultural heartland. The city is bordered by India to the east, adding a layer of geopolitical significance to its identity. The landscape of Bahawalnagar is characterized by its flat alluvial plains, a testament to the ancient rivers that once flowed through the region. These plains, formed over millennia by the deposition of fertile silt, are the backbone of Bahawalnagar's agricultural prosperity. The lifeblood of Bahawalnagar, and indeed much of Punjab, is the Sutlej River. This mighty river, originating in the Himalayas, flows through Bahawalnagar, irrigating its lands and sustaining its people. The presence of the Sutlej River has not only shaped the region's geography, but has also played a pivotal role in its history, culture, and economy. Bahawalnagar experiences a semi-arid climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters. This unique climate has a profound impact on the region's agriculture, influencing the types of crops that can be grown and the methods used by farmers. The semi-arid conditions mean that water management is crucial, and farmers have developed innovative techniques to make the most of the limited water resources available to them. The scorching summer months, stretching from April to October, are particularly challenging. During this period, the intense heat can cause significant stress on both crops and livestock. Farmers must take extra precautions to ensure that their animals are well hydrated and that their crops receive enough water to survive the harsh conditions. Temperatures during these months can soar well above 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat not only affects agricultural productivity but also poses health risks to the local population. Heat waves are common and residents must take measures to protect themselves from heat-related illnesses. The winter months from November to March bring a welcome respite with temperatures ranging from 5 to 20 degrees Celsius or 41 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. This cooler weather is ideal for growing a variety of crops, including wheat, barley, and various vegetables. Farmers take advantage of this period to plant and harvest crops that would not survive the intense summer heat. Rainfall in Bahawalnagar is largely dependent on the annual monsoon season, which typically arrives in July and lasts until September. The monsoon rains are eagerly anticipated by farmers as they provide the much-needed water for irrigation. However, the timing and intensity of the monsoon can be unpredictable, making it challenging for farmers to plan their activities. These monsoon rains, though often unpredictable, are crucial for replenishing the region's water resources and sustaining its agricultural activities. The water collected during the monsoon is stored in reservoirs and used throughout the year for irrigation. This careful management of water resources is essential for maintaining agricultural productivity in the region. The climate of Bahawalnagar, with its distinct seasons and monsoon-dependent rainfall, plays a significant role in shaping the rhythm of life in this region. The changing weather patterns dictate the agricultural calendar, determining when crops are planted, irrigated, and harvested. This close relationship between climate and agriculture has fostered a deep understanding of the environment among the local farmers. The agricultural cycle, the cultural celebrations, and even the daily routines of the people are all intricately linked to the ebb and flow of the seasons. Festivals often coincide with key agricultural events such as planting and harvest times, reflecting the community's connection to the land. This symbiotic relationship between the people and their environment is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Bahawalnagar community. Bahawalnagar is renowned for its fertile lands, which produce a rich variety of crops. This region, located in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, is a testament to the agricultural prowess of the country. The soil here is rich and loamy, perfect for cultivating a wide array of crops that sustain not just the local population but also contribute significantly to the national economy. Wheat, cotton, sugarcane and rice are the mainstay crops of the region, forming the backbone of its agricultural economy. These crops are not just commodities, they are the lifeblood of Bahawalnagar, providing sustenance and employment to thousands of families. The wheat fields stretch as far as the eye can see, a golden sea under the sun. Cotton plants with their fluffy white bolls stand tall and proud, ready to be harvested and turned into fabric that will be used across the world. The sight of vast fields of golden wheat swaying in the breeze or rows of cotton plants bursting with fluffy white bolls is a testament to Bahawalnagar's agricultural prowess. These fields are a result of hard work, dedication, and a deep connection to the land. Farmers here have honed their skills over generations, passing down knowledge and techniques that ensure the land remains fertile and productive. Irrigation, primarily from the Sutlej River through a network of canals, plays a vital role in sustaining Bahawalnagar's agricultural productivity. The Sutlej River, one of the major rivers of the Punjab region, provides the lifeblood that keeps these fields green and bountiful. The intricate network of canals ensures that water reaches even the most remote fields, turning arid land into fertile ground. These canals, snaking their way through the landscape, are lifelines, carrying precious water to the fields and ensuring a bountiful harvest. The sight of water flowing through these canals is a reminder of the delicate balance that must be maintained to keep the land productive. Without this water, the fields would wither and the agricultural bounty of Bahawalnagar would be lost. The rural landscape of Bahawalnagar, dotted with traditional villages and bustling market towns, is a sight to behold. These villages are the heart of the region, where traditions are kept alive and the community thrives. The market towns are a hub of activity where farmers bring their produce to sell, and people from all walks of life come to buy fresh, locally grown food. The air is alive with the sounds of rural life. The lowing of cattle, the chatter of farmers exchanging news, and the laughter of children playing in the fields. These sounds are the soundtrack of Bahawalnagar, a reminder of the vibrant, thriving community that calls this region home. The connection between the people and the land is palpable, a bond that has been forged over generations and continues to grow stronger with each passing year. The Sutlej River, originating in the High Tibetan Plateau, flows through Bahawalnagar, shaping its landscape, sustaining its people, and nurturing its wildlife. This mighty river, a tributary of the Indus River, is the lifeline of Bahawalnagar, providing water for irrigation, transportation, and sustenance. The river's banks are teeming with life, attracting a diverse array of flora and fauna. Lush vegetation lines the river's edge, providing a haven for birds, insects, and small mammals. The river itself is home to a variety of fish species, supporting local livelihoods and adding to the region's biodiversity. The people of Bahawalnagar have a deep-rooted connection with the Sutlej River. For generations, they have relied on the river for their livelihoods, their sustenance, and their cultural practices. The river is not just a source of water, it is an integral part of their identity, their history, and their way of life.